Hello everyone, my name is Azizuddin bin Samaon and my student ID is 9711301360210001 and I'm from the course OUMH 1303 English for Oral Communication. Today, I'm going to share about my hobby which is repairing computer. The title of my speech is Exploring Technology Through My Hobby of Repairing Computer. Before I begin, let's understand what the hobbies mean. A hobby is something we enjoy doing in our time. It helps us to relax, learn new things, and express our creativity. For me, repairing computer is a hobby that gives me a joy, knowledge, and confidence. On the slide 2, how I discovered this hobby. My interest in repairing computer began when my old laptop stopped working during exam week. So I didn't have money to fix it at the shop, so I decided to try fixing it myself. At first, it was hard and confusing, but after watching YouTube tutorial and reading online guide, I can manage to replace the hard drive and reinstall Windows. When it finally worked again, I feel so proud. From the moment I start helping my friend and my family to repair their computer too. In slide number 3, what I usually do when repairing. Repairing computer involve both hardware and software tasks. On the hardware side, I usually clean dust from the CPU and the fan, replace part like RAM or hard drive, upgrade old computer with SSD or more memory. On the software side, I often to fix the slow performance and remove the virus, reinstall Windows and driver, and set up antivirus and important program. Every repair feel like solving a puzzle. Every problem is different, and that's what make it exciting. Now we on the slide for why I enjoying repairing computer. I enjoy repairing computer because it meaningful and rewarding. It gives me problem solving satisfaction when I fix something that was broken. It allows continuous learning because technology is always changing. It has practical value. It saves money for me and others. It let me help people who are not familiar with the computer. Each successful repair gives me a sense of achievement and confidence. Slide number 5. Skill I develop. Through this hobby, I developed many useful skills. Number one is technical skill. I can assemble and troubleshoot PC. Passion and persistence. Sometimes repairing take hour or a day. Analytical thinking. I test problems step by step logically. And the last one is communication. I learn how to explain technical issue in a simple word. This skill not only help in computer works but also in study and daily problem solving. Slide number 6. Benefit of this hobby. Repairing computer give me several benefits. I can maintain and extend the lifespan of my device. I can save my money and sometimes can earn small extra income. I feel more independent and confident. It keeps me motivated to learn and improve myself. So it's not just a fun activity, it's a skill that add value to my life. Slide number 7, the last one is a conclusion. In conclusion, repairing computer is more than just a hobby. It's my passion. It has taught me a passion, problem solving, and continuous learning. Each time I bring the computer back to life, and I feel so proud and thankful for this skill. I believe that a good hobby is one to make us happy and help us grow. For me, repairing computer does exactly that. Thank you for listening to my speech.